What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my vlog. So I am here with my 2019 Mustang Ecoboost. I'm going to be replacing the Purge Valve, which is right here. I'll show you guys step by step on how to do it. It's pretty simple. I've done it before. The first time I did it, I ended up using an aftermarket part, and to be honest, like there is something wrong with that part because I ended up getting like a code. I cleared the code, it came back. So that was done right after I changed the part. I started getting the code. So right now I'm out to change it again with an OEM part, and hopefully that will solve the issue. So stay tuned for the video. If you like my videos, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. So the first thing you want to do is have a wrench and also have a number 10. This is a number 8, but have a number 10 and a number 8 because I think this one right here is a number 8. The other one over there is a number 10. Then this one right here is a number 8 and the other one's a number 10. So you guys want to have that on hand because it'll be easier. So you guys want to remove the engine cover. All right. So now let's get to the part. The part itself is this one right here. So I'll be taking this off, all of this, all the way up to here. And then once I pull that out, I'm gonna be installing that one. I'll show you guys. So you take this bolt off from here, literally. Then what you're gonna do is press on the tabs. You have some tabs right here. Pull that out. I think I'm doing something wrong. It doesn't want to slide out. So with this part, it's simple and hard at the same time because you gotta pull it, and at the same time like push the tab and it'll open, and then once you do that it will click. The top one you push down at that little tab and it'll like come off easy. Now this one right here is giving me a headache because you're supposed to press the two tabs here and then you should come off, but it's not coming off. So I'm all right. So here's the thing, I got that one out. I figured it out. So you press the tab that's behind and then you pull up and the part is out. Now to put the new part in is gonna be simple too. I'll show you guys. Ah, smells nice. Fresh new part. All right. So it should be easy. So this goes right here. Clicks. Click that one. Put the screw in here. Well, now the screw doesn't want to go in. Okay, there you go. Now I have the screw in. This part goes in here. Oh, I should have done the screw after. Well, you live and you learn, right? Over here redoing this again. I thought I was only gonna do it once in a lifetime. And there you go. Part is in. And put that screw in again. And I gotta click this top one here, this tab. There you go. It's done. Simple, easy. In reality, this is extremely simple. Really simple. Now I gotta do this. Switch it around. Nice and tight. There's the part. All right, now we're gonna test the car. See if the part is good. Like, I mean, I'm sure it's good, but you always want to make sure you test this. Start it up. Okay, everything sounds good so far. I didn't like that, but it sounds pretty smooth, like really smooth. My RPMs were going all over the place before. I actually needed to get that part. Makes a huge difference on my car. I need that too, the TPMS sensor. I never put it back. Okay, RPMs drop. Sounds smooth, quiet. Letting it run now. Okay, not bad. I guess the installation was good. Not bad at all. If you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope this video can actually help you guys. Those of you guys that are having problems with your Purge Valve, it's really not that hard to swap. So I would just DIY it instead of taking it to the shop, or like anywhere that they're gonna probably charge you like $200, $300. This is simple solution, easy. Just buy the part and do it yourself. All right, take care, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.